Do you come home from work feeling a little bit achy? Do you go to the gym and you want a bit of, speed up your recovery? Maybe, just maybe, you might be in the market for one of these. So this is the Arboleaf CM20C massager. Okay, this was sent to me. So full disclosure, I didn't buy it. It was sent to me by Arboleaf. I have got a massager, but this cost me about 15 quid. So when they said they wanted to send me this one, I was like, yeah, okay. We'll have a look. Okay, so in the box, you get your instructions. You get a bag, and then that is how you get the actual... It's not my little screen. Oh! Stand up, you bugger. Get in there. Stay there. That is how you get the massager. So we've got, obviously, you've got your different heads. I suppose you'd call them heads, would you? Massage heads. And they're all nice. They're obviously rubberized. They're not hard, but they're not soft either, because you want a deep, you don't want it too soft. This one, it is quite soft. It's quite squidgy, that. Yeah, that's harder. That's like foam. This is more rubberized. It's also smaller. Does this one come off? I think this did come with different attachments. It did. But you can see, like, it's bigger, it's softer. It doesn't give you such an intense massage. But this cost me like 15 quid, so I mean, I can't really moan at it too much. It's done the job. So you get 4 different attachments with this one. And you get a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and then you get the actual massager itself, which, big difference is plastic, aluminium, or metal. I believe it's aluminium. This feels heavier than that. This feels nice. This looks good. I mean, if you look at it, you've got the Arboleaf name on the side. It feels nice. It really does feel nice. On the bottom, you've got your power button and you've got your charging. You have also got 4 lights at the bottom. So when you turn it on, let's just put one in. When you turn it on, green light to say the battery's good. And then the blue lights show the intensity. Now this is moving a lot faster than what it appears on the camera, because the camera is set to 60 FPS. This is moving a lot faster than that. Let me take my ring off, because I did notice the other night. I have tried this, because you've got to charge it up before first use, and I thought I'd give it a go. And I've got to admit, compared to this one, I thought this one was pretty good, because I do like a really deep, especially on my thighs. I love it deep on my thighs. This one I thought was good until I tried this one, and I was like, oh my god, this is, well, it blows. It would do. This one costs about 3 or 4 times as much as that one. That one's done me okay, but this is going to do so much better. And it's actually the same size. It's actually smaller. That's actually pretty cool. It's smaller. If I put them both, as you can see, side by side like that, that's meant to be a mini massager. So the fact that this is even smaller than that, and it's more powerful, that's good. That's good for me. Yeah, I'm out delivering all day. I come home, my thighs are a bit achy. I don't use it, don't get me wrong, I don't use it every day. But some days I do get it out and I just up and down the thighs for a little while. And it does tend to help. This one looks like it's going to be a lot better. Right, now then, I've taken, where'd I put my ring? God, I'm so, like, put it over there so I don't forget where I've put it. I will, I'll forget where I put it. I'll be looking for that later. So, it's just... So if I put it on my neck, that's on number 1, and that is so... I don't know if you can hear from my voice. It's gone a little bit shaky. Man. Let's turn it up. Glutton for punishment and all that. Okay, so that is now maximum. I can't see the camera anymore. It's just a blurred mess. That is really good. That's weird, right? My wife, she doesn't like any pressure. She won't have a massage or anything like that. She hates pressure. She's very sensitive to pain. So I actually put this, I said, let me do it. She likes her feet massaged though. That's the only thing she'll like accept, the bottom of her feet. She loves that. I used to do it a lot when we first got together. I don't bother now because, you try and impress when you first get with someone, and then when you've been with them for a while, you look at them, look at their feet, and you just think, I don't want to touch them today, thank you very much. But you know what? I should do it because she does like it. But anyway, she let me do it on the bottom of her foot, on number 1, just gently. And then me being me, I've done it on the top of her foot, on the bony bit. And I felt it, like, kind of hit the bone. Because she's got no flesh on top of her feet. People don't really have flesh on top of their feet, do they? And the way she, like, flinched, it hurt. So I won't be doing that again. She'll probably never let me near her with this again. But, yeah. Lesson, people, lesson is don't hurt your partner. Even if you think it's funny, it's really not. I didn't actually think it would hurt. I just thought, I don't know what I thought. I don't think. That's my problem. I don't think. But anyway, on the bottom of her foot, she actually liked it to a degree. On number 1 and not pushing too hard. Because obviously your feet are sensitive. But me, I like this pushed in deep. Not... Clean minds, people. Clean minds. Yeah, deep into the muscle. On my back, lower back, my thighs. Even that, just now, that felt bloody good. I really like these. Now, I'm not, as you can see, okay, it doesn't stand up. I'm not super fit. I'm super fit with an A. If you know, you know. So I'm not like someone who comes home from the gym and then, you know, uses this on his muscles. I can't find my muscles. I've looked. I don't think I've got any. But I still really enjoy using it. So if you're a gym goer or you're a runner, you do a physical job. Like mine's semi-physical. I do a lot of walking, but I mean, you know, it's not majorly physical. It's just my legs. A lot of people can benefit from one of these. And it's so easy to literally change the bits. You just pull them off. And then you just push the next one in. It's as simple as that. You know, probably shouldn't have worn a black t-shirt today because it's kind of blending in. I do apologise. Yeah, maybe I should have worn my white t-shirt. There's your little like velvety carry bag. I really don't like the feel of velvet. It makes me cringe. Okay, so the attachments are, and they are heads. I thought they were. Not towels, are they? You have got ball head. You have got fork head, bullet head, and you've got flat head. So they are your 4 heads. Speed 5. Automatically adjust the speed according to the pressing force. I didn't know it had a 5. It's only got 4 lights. Right, let's have a look. Maybe you should put a ball in it first. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, okay. And then 5. So it has got 5 settings because now they're flashing. So that's like obviously low. And it speeds up as you put more pressure. Wow, look at my hand go. That looks like it's in slow motion, but it's not. It's just because this is going, when I push hard, 3,200 times a minute. That's refreshing at 60 times a minute. So it looks like, God, that's actually, wow. I wobble. It's just nice, man. It is just a nice... Oh, hello. Wow, that genuinely looks like slow motion. Which is kind of cool. I really like this, and I am grateful they sent it to me. It's kind of... I wouldn't have gone out my way to buy a more expensive massager because I genuinely thought a massager is a massager. One bit of safety advice. Do not try and change the head while it's running. You can damage it. So, yeah, turn it off. Wait till it's stopped. Then, because if you notice just doing that, it kind of vibrates. So, yeah, turn it off to change the head. Okay, so that's the Arboleaf CM20C massager, mini massager, because it is small, but it's powerful. So what do you guys think? Do any of you guys use a massager, or do you actually prefer a proper massage? I've never had one, not a proper gone to a sports therapist or anything, and I don't think I'd enjoy that actually. But using one of these, I do enjoy it. I'm not sure if you're supposed to enjoy it. supposed to be like a recovery aid, isn't it? And like help your muscles and soothe your muscles. But as I say, I haven't got any. I've not found them yet. I'm just like, you know, it's finding everything else. Fat, more fat, and a bit more fat. So yeah, as a fat massager, it works really well. But yeah, that does it for this video. Thank you very much to Arboleaf for sending this to me. As always, the review is my own. I don't allow outside editing. I do not allow outside input. I've lost so many bloody potential collaborations because I won't let companies see a draft video. That does it for this video. I will leave a link to the Arboleaf website. They've asked me to only include this on the website. It is available in other places, but they've actually, that's part of the collaboration that they have said that I will follow. I will follow things like this. If somebody sends me something and they say, oh, but you've got to, can you please include this link, or can you please say that it's got these features? That I don't mind if it's true. So yeah, things like that. So with this, they have asked me just to link it to their website, arboleaf.com, which is what I will do. So the link will be in the description if you are interested in this massage. And they do a lot of others. Massage equipment. They do smart scales. So you've got the scales that you stand on and you hold the handles as well, and it will do a full body scan. They've got things like that on there. So Arboleaf are definitely worth checking out if you're in the market for anything like that. But yeah, I will leave a link. I'll pin it in the comments as well to the website. But yeah, that does it for this video. So hope you've enjoyed it. I hope to see you all again very, very soon in the next one. But for now, bye guys.